In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to your Shopify store navigation menu. Whether you want to add an About Us page, contact page, or any custom page, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. Next, click on Pages. This section is where you can create and manage all the pages on your Shopify store. Now, click on Add Page. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can create your page. Start by entering a title for your page. After that, add the content you want visitors to see on the page. You can include text, images, links, or any important information related to your business. Once your page is ready, choose a template if needed, then click Save. Now that the page has been created, we need to add it to the navigation menu. Go back to the online store section and click on Navigation. Select the menu where you want the page to appear, such as the main menu or footer menu. Inside the menu editor, click on Add Menu Item. Enter a name for the menu item, then click on the Link field. From the list of options, select Pages and choose the page you just created. After selecting the page, click Add, then click Save to update your navigation menu. And that's it! Your new page is now added to your Shopify store navigation menu and customers can easily access it from your website. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.